Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a balding wig or patches on a wig. So if you want to know how I did it, then continue watching. So I'm just showing you these patches on the wig so you could see the difference of the wig before and after I'm done. So I'm starting by spraying some water on the patches, and this helps me actually get to the patches easily, and I would not have any flyaways of any other hair that's gonna get in the way as I fix the wig. Now after I'm done with spraying the water, I'm gonna use a rectal comb and I'm just gonna go in and part the wig so I could start working on those hideous patches. So to do this, of course, you will need the ventilating needle, and that's gonna help you with the process. And you will need some hair and just cut off the width. You don't need that, so just throw it away. And you just have to twist the hair and make it into like a little bow, and that makes it easier for you to kind of hook the hair onto the needle. So you're going to hook your needle into the lace and then hook the hair on it, and then create a knot, then just pull the hair out as tight as you can. And so just hook the hair on the needle and then create a knot and pull it as tight as you can. It is easy as that, you guys. So when I start getting flyaways and the hair dries, I just get some more water and I spray it onto the patch, and I have a clear patch, and it makes it easier for me to work. I love to patch wigs because to me it's kind of like an art, and I love the idea of a patch not having hair to a patch having full hair on it, if you understand what I mean. But I just love the whole process, and if I get into wig patching mode, like, I will patch the wig until it's done. Approximately, I take an hour to 2 hours to get the front part of the wig and the sides of the wig completely done. And that's non-stop. Maybe a water break in between, but that's it. So now I'm just gonna stop talking for a little bit and just let you guys enjoy this video. To some people this could be relaxing, so you guys enjoy the rest of it. I did cut some of the video footage because it was so long and I did not want this video to be very long, so I tried as much as I can to cut out some footage out of the videos. So that's me, almost done. I was so happy that I was able to get everything done. I'm missing some footage because my camera stopped filming, but don't worry guys, you did not miss anything. So this is how the wig turned out after it was done. I think you could see the difference between the before and after. And I deliberately added a lot of hair on this part because I wanted to show you guys how to pluck a wig. So I added a little bit more of hair on that side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And of course, leave me a comment. Until next time, it is goodbye and see you in my next video.